seen this morning. Mga kapatid, listen to this. You have to remember, God is holistic God. God is the complete God. Tignan nyo to. It is a delight of the Lord to make our joy complete. Pag si Lord ang nagbigay, kompleto. When God give, it is always complete. Listen, listen. When God give, it is always complete. Pag nagbigay si Lord ng lechon, palaging may sarsa. When God gives, come on, palakpakan si Lord. Amen. Disclaimer, I didn't bring any lechon. When God gives roast pig, a native dish from the Philippines, it always comes with Mang Tomas. Sauce. Sauce. Amen? Ano pa? Pag nagbigay ng kutsinta, laging may niyog. Pag nagbigay ng kare-kare, laging may bagoong. Nakakain na ba kayong kare-kare? Walang bagoong? Bland? Kutsinta, walang niyog? Bland? Lechon? Not so bland, but still bland. Amen po ba? Ito pa, pag si Lord nagbigay ng visa,